Hello, everybody. Quick update this evening, or rather tonight. It's currently 8:34 p.m. on your Sunday night. Let's get started. Take a look at some of the new things that have came out. Not a ton of changes have came out, but there is some changes. So we'll get started and take a look at everything. We're going to start out, of course, with our forecast outlook. Let me get that up really quick. Looking very nice out. Monday, clouds, sunshine, be kind of like today, high 79 to 86. For your Tuesday, it'll be the same thing, clouds and sunshine, highs 81 to 85. Wednesday, pretty much the same, a little bit warmer though. We do warm up. Some areas may actually get into the 90s on Wednesday. Highs 84 to 86. And for your Thursday, highs 81 to 84 with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Looks like a chance for that around 40 to 50%. Same with Friday, showers and storms possible, highs 78 to 80. Of course, check back in with us around midweek because we'll have a lot better updates in. Some of these storms could be strong, and I do want to mention that. Let's go ahead and look at the hazards outlook, of course, talking about that. Monday through Tuesday, mostly dry weather continues with highs in the 80s and overnight lows in the 50s and 60s. A low chance, 20% or less of showers exists Monday afternoon, mostly south of the Tennessee River. Wednesday into late next week, unsettled weather returns with daily chances of showers and thunderstorms. A low chance of strong storms exists Thursday, bringing threats of gusty winds and small hail in addition to moderate to heavy rainfall. Of course, check back with us for updates as we approach midweek because we'll have a lot better idea of what's going to happen if any severe weather is added to that. But so far, it hasn't been. Let's look at our 6 to 10 day temperature outlook. Not changed much from earlier, but we do expect pretty much average temperatures for the area between the 3rd and 7th. So we do average out. We get a little bit of cooler air in here thanks to a pretty strong cold front expected to come in this weekend. Rainfall-wise, it's going to dry out a bit as that cooler air dives south. We will get into high pressure, low chances of rain, of course, dry, basically dry. If you're in the northern portion, very dry, expected between the 3rd and the 7th time period. So let's look at the GFS. It's going to talk about pretty much the chance for rain as we move further out. We get that cold front in here. So looks like we start getting it in here. We get rain and storms possible Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday looks like it finally pushes on through Friday into Saturday. So when the cold front passes through. And let's look at that on the graphics here. There's our cool front making its way in here, of course. It's going to get pretty cool. How cool? Well, lows in the 40s. It's going to get pretty cool. Lows in the 40s, highs in the 60s. You're definitely going to notice a cool shot of air came in, that's for sure. So be ready for that. It is going to cool off for the weekend. Rainfall totals, still we don't expect a lot of rainfall out of this, but this could change. Again, we'll need to monitor and check on things daily, but especially midweek when we get a better idea of what's going to actually happen. So that's what I have. I know it's not a long video, but let's wrap things up with our sponsor, Mr. Dylan Snyder at Alabama Living Real Estate. For all your real estate needs, give him a call, 256-979-4330. And same thing for RKG Automotive Group, except you can give them a call at the following, 256-323-7323. And please check all them out on Facebook. Give them a like and check them out for sure. So let's wrap things up here. It is currently 8:38. Wanted to do a really quick update because I'm exhausted. It has been a really busy day today. Absolutely exhausted. I'm going to lay back, rest, watch some TV, all that good stuff. So have a great rest of your Sunday night, and it's currently 8:38. We'll see you on the next update.